Appropriately for St David's Day, it's England that hosts the warmest spot in Middlesex, Enfield. 18 degrees Celsius, that's 64 Fahrenheit. Now, obviously, not everywhere is quite as warm as that because this grey stuff is cloud. And in Scotland, just for example, Glasgow is still struggling around the 11 mark, which is 52 Fahrenheit. But even underneath this cloud, it's not all doom and gloom. Admittedly, the Western Highlands have seen a lot of morning rain, and so have the Western Isles, but it's getting better here now, it's drier, and the sun could break out here and there in Scotland, and also in Northern Ireland this afternoon, and boost temperatures to maybe the 16-degree mark. We're not far off in Belfast at the moment, and even earlier it was bright and calm, and with a bit of sunshine, that'll edge things up to make it feel, I think, quite warm. But the persistent sunshine is further south, and it is further south, because a good part of northern England will see the cloud increase this afternoon. In Cumbria, I should imagine even now, you're probably seeing drizzle or rain up in the Cumbrian fells and hill fog. And there's certainly little bits of fog around the seas and the coast of Cornwall and Devon, and indeed Wales. And there will be throughout the weekend, because although the sunshine brings out 18 or 19 degrees, even in the cloud it's 15 or 16. The air came from quite a warm source and carries with it a potential for hill fog. And the cloud sheet in general will increase tonight. It sinks south. The forecast times are down here. So tomorrow morning, rather more people will be waking up to cloud than was the case this morning. In fact, Bristol, which started grey until the sun burnt the mist away, will do much the same, I think, in this coming morning. So if you're in the sun now, enjoy it, because it will be rather more restricted tomorrow, I suspect, to the southwest of England in particular. But equally, although the morning will be bright, the rain will not be that widespread tomorrow afternoon in Scotland and Northern Ireland. It just looks rather greyer. And if the sun comes out, you'll see 17 degrees at least. If it doesn't, then it's still the 14 or 15 mark. Note how light the winds are virtually everywhere. There's nothing to move any cloud around. If you're stuck underneath it, it could be disappointing. There's just a possibility, for example, in eastern England, Sunday will be a disappointing day. But Sunday should end up really much the same as Saturday. If you're in the warm sunshine, it'll feel warm at 20 or 21 degrees. If you're stuck underneath the cloud, wait a couple of hours and hopefully the sun will burn through. It's not a bad weekend. We probably shouldn't complain. Anna.
Thanks, Rob.